Hey friends, if you wish to use Clipchamp Video Maker and Editor in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Clipchamp in the Windows search bar and then go to Microsoft Clipchamp. Let it open. It needs a while. Click on Create a new video. Click on Import Media and then you can pick the video. I made a field note cover so I'll show you the video. You can add it here, cut it, add the effects, filters, whatever you want to. Okay, and then change the audio level. You can increase or decrease it. You can also change it into fade in and fade out, and you can also adjust the colors. Once your editing is done, click on export, select the quality that you want, change the name here directly, click outside and click on save to your computer, choose a location, delete this part where it says made with Clipchamp and hit enter. It will save the output video. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.